Melinda here. It's raining, yay! So excited and happy. We need it so badly. Thanks. Hi, Melinda here with Get Off My Lawn, Please. Please like, subscribe, comment below, click the little bell, and share my videos. It's free. We're here today. It's Thursday. Late getting out today's video, but it looks like we're getting a little bit of rain. I hope we get a lot more. It's basically misting. You can see how the cement's a little bit wet. We need a lot more rain than this. This isn't gonna do it. We haven't had any real rain since like June. We've had only like 15 minutes during that whole time. I've been trying to water, but oh yeah, feels good out here with the rain. Oh, it's a little heavier now. I don't know if you can see it. Feels good. Get a picture of the sky. My roses and vincas need this. If it doesn't rain enough, I'll have to water again. See the sky? You can see the rain a little bit, I think, too, in the video. Those stop signs people typically run. Like all the time. I've been trying to motivate Mother Nature. And apparently I have a gnome thing going, which is okay. That's a pretty good rate now. Look at the sky. Typically it falls apart around when it hits us and goes around the other side and then reforms behind us. I'm just grateful for the rain. Seriously grateful. The only bad thing is, this Houston Demolition Derby drivers, the streets are going to be wet, and these people, since it hasn't rained in so long, aren't going to remember how to drive in it, and the obvious thing is going to happen. Anyway, I know it's kind of boring, but it's exciting to us because, like I said, we haven't had any rain in a long time, any noticeable rain. Let's hope this continues. Be nice if this happened all day. Anyway, please spread love and kindness wherever you go. Hope you all have a great day. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.